Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect Sui Wallet to Dexscreener step by step. So the initial step is to install and set up Sui Wallet. Download Sui Wallet if you haven't installed it yet. Go to Sui Wallet official site and install the browser extension from here. The second step is to add the extension to the Chrome browser. Add the extension to the Chrome browser and it will lead you to the option where you can create a new passphrase account. Here you can create a new passphrase account and save the passphrase key for future preferences. Copy the passphrase and click on the next option. Here, create a strong password. Now, the third step is to connect Sui Wallet to the dexscreener.com. So in order to connect it, go to the Dexscreener. Once you're into the dashboard, you can see Sui option on the left hand side of the dashboard. Click on the Sui button and click the Sui based token you want to connect the wallet. Once you have chosen the token, you can see the trade option on the right hand side menu. Click on the trade button. Here's where you connect wallet. Click on the connect wallet and select Sui Wallet. A pop-up will appear from Sui Wallet. Click approve to confirm the connection. This is how you connect Sui Wallet to Dexscreener. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you for watching.